In this tutorial, I will show you how to create sparkles in Adobe Illustrator. Welcome to Easy Guide. First of all, select the rectangle tool and make a small size square like this. Select Zoom tool and zoom in. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Pucker and Plot, and apply a setting that looks similar to this one. Go to Edit, copy this shape and paste in front. Rotate the shape to 45 degrees. Hold Shift and Alt and make it smaller. Then paste another in front. Hold Shift and Alt and make it smaller. Your sparkle should look similar. Your sparkle should look something like this. Select all the shapes and take off the black stroke. Fill the shapes with whatever color you wish. You can change the color later on. Set their opacity on 50%. Now only select the top shape and fill the top shape white with 100% opacity. Distort the small shape by applying pucker and plot to it again. Then rotate it to 60 degree and make it smaller by holding Shift and Alt. Our shape is now ready. Now open the symbol panel by going Window menu and choose Symbol. Select this whole shape and press New Symbol on the Symbols panel. Now that it's a symbol, you can get rid of this sparkle you just made. Select the symbol sprayer tool that looks like a spray can. If you can't find this tool, make sure to select Window, Toolbars, Advanced option. Select the sparkle symbol and spray it. Now your sparkles will look something like this. Select the sparkle symbol group and using the symbol spinner tool, vary the angle of your sparkles. This blue arrow indicates the new angle. Now my sparkles are too big. Yours might be too small. Using the symbol sizer tool, change the size of your symbol. If your symbols are too small, just select the group and apply it. If they are too large, like in my case, hold Alt while you apply it on your symbol. Now you are done. Unless you want to change the color, select the symbol stainer tool as well as color. Select symbol group and apply it. You can apply more colors to give your sparkles a rainbow look. So lastly, if some of your sparkles overlap or look out of place, you can move them with symbol shifter tool, the second button on the symbol panel. Now it will look something like this. I hope this video has helped you learn how to create sparkles in Adobe Illustrator. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos like this. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This is a complete course, especially designed for beginners. Link is given in the description and first comment. That's all for today. See you in the next video.